there. Watch this if you want to apply for VAWA. First of all, what is VAWA? It is Violence Against Women's Act, right? It was enacted by Congress. The idea behind it is that if you are the parent or the child or a spouse of a U.S. citizen and the person is abusing you, then you can get a green card because of the abuse. A lot of times I've seen it in the case of marriages. Let's say you married this person and you married this person because you love the person and you actually wanted to be with the person. But along the way, the person started abusing you, especially because they noticed that they could use your immigration status against you, right? So, for example, I've had cases where people are like, listen, the least thing at all, I'll call ICE on you, or I'll call deportation on you. And abuse comes in different forms. So, there's been physical abuse when someone beats you. There's also been financial abuse. Believe it or not, people are milking people out there in the name of, if you don't give me X, I'm going to call ICE on you. Also, there are sorts of emotional or psychological abuse, right? People are out there gaslighting people. People are out there saying like really mean and really condescending things to people, just calling them all sorts of names, just literally breaking them down mentally because they think that they can, right? It's like, well, of course, I'm going to get a green card through me. I'm going to do whatever I can against you. So the good news is that there is VAWA for you. So if you're in that state and you want to apply for VAWA, USCIS has heightened the requirement. Number one, they require that you apply the abuse happened within the time that you lived with this person. So for example, if it's your spouse, don't be like, oh yeah, I loved this person 5 years ago. Oh, but the abuse happened 2 days ago, right? They want you to actually live with the abuser during the time that the abuse happened. And how do you prove this? You can send things like joint lease with both of your names on, joint utility bills, right? Joint insurance, things that show that you actually lived with the person. Another change that is coming here is that they want core documents of your marriage, right? So let's say your marriage certificate, let's say prior divorce certificates. Also, USCIS has more discretion. What it means for you is that the onus lies on you to set enough evidence to prove that, listen, I was actually married to this person, or this is my parent, this is my child, and the abuse actually happened. So if you have any question about these, or you're in an abusive relationship, give me a call. Let's see what we can do to help. 9294976727. Thank you.